everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. Did you know that in the Plan to Eat app, you can use the cooking view to cook multiple recipes at the same time? So in the Plan to Eat app, when you have multiple recipes planned on the same mealtime, you can use the cooking view to toggle between recipes and view different cooking views at the same time so that you can be cooking multiple recipes at once. So once you're in the Plan to Eat app, go to the Plan tab and click on one of the recipes that is planned in the mealtime. Then go to the cooking view and you can choose either between the overview or the step-by-step cooking instructions. And if you have other recipes planned on the same mealtime, you will see the next button in the upper right-hand corner. When you click on the next button, it's going to take you to the cooking view of the next recipe planned in that mealtime. You can keep hitting the next button to be able to switch between multiple recipes, and you will eventually land back on the first recipe that you were on. When using the next button to toggle between recipes, the cooking view will remember what step you were on for the previous recipe that you were on. So if you started your first recipe and you got to step 4 and then you hit the next button and cooked halfway through that recipe as well, when you hit the next button again to get back to that first recipe, it will still be on step 4 so that you don't have to go through the process of going through all of the other steps to get to where you were in the process. If you have any questions about this, there's a help article linked below specifically about the cooking view. And if you have additional questions, please email us at help@plantoeat.com. See you next time.